LIOC motorcycle battery. There have been many changes during the last century in the motorcycle battery industry. As a manufacturer, LIOC Battery is committed to continued research and development in the motorcycle battery industry. Our cycle batteries perform 50 to 100% higher than the industry standards on high-rate cranking, cycle life, and quick charge capabilities. This ensures the battery will crank in any environment. LIOC International uses advanced techniques of COS welding and TTP welding. All the production is operated in strict accordance with the International Management System Standard of ISO TS16949 in automobile industries. The annual gross production volume exceeds 20 million pieces, and LIOC possesses the top punching machine and manufacturing technology in the world, which produces motorcycle batteries with extremely high performance. LIOC International products are sold to more than 60 countries and regions all over the world. LIOC International is the first choice of leading motorcycle manufacturers and distributors for its outstanding products performance and complete product specifications. Our product's defective rate is lower than 50 ppm. The main types of LIOC motorcycle batteries are dry charged, wet charge maintenance free, and high performance MX series. Dry charged, wet charge maintenance free. Adopt TTP welding technique, superb starting performance, inserted terminal and dual sealing design, excellent anti-vibration performance, safe and reliable. The capacity can achieve 95% after filling acid and by short time charging. High Performance MX Series contains pure lead radial grid structure, firm pace adhesion, and longer service life. Provides greater CCA output. CCA performance is 20% higher than normal series. Special starting pace formula design. The capacity is 10% higher than normal series. Has copper terminals and excellent electrical conductivity, as well as frosted case design, advanced atmospheric outward appearance. LIOC allows you to start easily and lead all the way.